Hey guys, so today in this lesson, we are going to be listening for sounds, okay? And just like always, these lessons are split up into 3 parts. I do, you're going to listen to me. We do, we're going to do it together. And you do, you are going to do it, okay? So we are going to do the I do first, okay? So right now I want you to just listen, okay? Listen as I say 3 sounds. J, s, j. Okay, listen again. J, s, j. All right, now let's look at the pictures in this row. One of the pictures begins with the sound that is in the middle of the 3 sounds, okay? So listen what the middle sound is. J, s, j. Okay? The word sweater begins with the middle sound. The middle sound is S, right? Sweater. All right. So now I'm going to say 3 sounds. 2 of those sounds will be the same, okay? So listen again. F, S, F. Okay? The sounds that are the same are F, okay? And go ahead and repeat the sounds. F, S, F. Good. All right. So now we're going to go down to the we do, and we are going to do this one together. All right, so I'm going to say the names of each of these pictures, and then you're going to say them with me, okay? So just listen. Cart, queen, tree. Okay, let's say them together and remember what those beginning sounds are. Cart, queen, tree. Okay, now I want you to just listen to some sounds I'm gonna say, okay? K, d. Which one of these pictures begins with one of those sounds? I'm gonna say the sounds again. K, d. Which one of these pictures begins with one of those sounds? Right, K for cart. Excellent. All right, let's go to number 3 here. All right, so I'm going to say these first, and then you're going to say them with me, okay? So hand, pond, zoo. Okay, say them with me and listen to those sounds. Hand, pond, zoo. Okay, now you're going to listen to 3 sounds I'm going to say, okay? Here we go. S, t. Which one of these pictures begins with the second sound? Listen to me again. S, t. Which one of these pictures begins with the second sound? Right, hand. The second sound was good job. All right, now we are going to go to number 4. I'm going to say the names of each picture, and then you're going to say them after me. So bug, fish, stove. Say them with me. Bug, fish, stove. Okay, now we're listening. I'm going to say 3 sounds, okay? So listen to the sounds. F, s, k. Which one of these pictures begins with the first sound? Here's the sounds again. F, s, k. Which one of these pictures begins with the first sound? Good, fish, right? The first sound was F for fish. Excellent. Okay, so now we're down to the you do section. So what does this mean? Right, you're gonna do it. So this is a girl, okay? And what I want you to do is I'm gonna give you 3 sounds, and I want you to tell me which one is the beginning sound of girl. Is it the first sound I give you, the second sound, or the third, okay? Here we go. G, Was it the first, second, or third sound? Right, second. Good job. Here we go. G, b. First, second, or third sound? Right, first. Excellent. Last one, here we go. J, f, g. First, second, or third sound. Right, the very last one, the third sound. Right, the beginning sound of girl is g. All right, so the activity you can do at home. Parents, you can say sounds and then have your kid or student repeat the sounds in the same order. So if I said g, b, kid would repeat the sound g, b. Okay? All right, that's all.